guys, welcome to my messy kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something. You can see something is cooking over there, and this recipe is of my own, and if the camera is shaking, I'm very sorry for that because I'm holding the camera with my left hand. Today I'm cooking parwal, in Bengali potol, and this recipe is really unique. You need to watch it, so just keep on watching. Our first ingredient, pointed gourd, potol or parwal. So guys, as you can see here, I am not peeling the parwals. What I am doing is trying to take out the outer layer slowly, and I am going to do the same with all the parwal. As you can see guys, I have taken a fork, and by the help of this fork, you can use a spoon, a knife, whatever it is. Take out everything from the parwal, means all the seeds should come out and it should be. Now guys, here I am cutting the onion. As you can see, I have taken only one onion because only one is sufficient, and I am chopping this onion into small pieces. The more the pieces are smaller, that is better. When you are cooking, you will find it much. I am chopping some green chilies guys, as you can see, because I like little bit spicy stuff. But if you do not like spice in your food, you can just skip this part, or if you want to add pepper, you can add that also. It will blend well with this dish. Now I have taken one egg and I am breaking it. I require one egg. If you feel, you can take more eggs also. Now I am just blending the egg, as you can see, and I am adding a bit of salt in it. We need salt, without salt, food. Guys, in this dish we need besan also, so I am gram flour, we call it in English. So just I am adding some gram flour or besan in the egg, and at the same time I am adding a pinch of baking soda in it. Now I am pouring everything in the mixer grinder. After grinding, this is how the paste will come. Now this is the paste that we have made. Now I am just adding all the chopped vegetables in it. Means the onions, the tomatoes, the green chilies, whatever I chopped it, I am just adding everything in it. Guys, I am mixing everything very nicely, as you can see, because this is our main batter. Finally, I am in my kitchen right now. I am just heating the pan, and the pan is heated up. Now I am just putting little bit of refined oil. When the oil is hot, then you have to put all these parwals just like this, how I am putting in the oil. It's interesting, right? I don't know whether you're going to like this dish or not, but with warm rice, this dish goes very well. And if you are an egg lover, you're going to love this. Now what I'm doing, as you can see guys, I'm just putting that batter that we have made very, with lots of love we have made that batter. Now that batter I am putting slowly into the parwals. That's the reason I took out all the seeds from the parwals. It was needed. So slowly I am putting the batter inside the parwals, or potols in Bengali we say that. this at a low flame. Remember this. Now my dish is almost ready, guys, and one more thing, it is not burnt. I must tell you that. Now I'm taking out all the parwals or potols, what you say, and I'm just putting it on a plate. Guys, with warm rice, eat this and see, make this and see, and something different. Potol bhaja, parwal fry, we always eat and we get just bored, and people also think what else to make. Then I just experimented a bit and I found it quite interesting. That's the reason I'm actually sharing this with all of you. I just hope you all guys like it. You can put more onions if you want. I just hope you like it because I have cooked it with lots of love, guys. Now this dish is looking very yummy and I have tasted it earlier also. It is really, I like it a lot. So this is how our dish is looking right now. I hope you guys like it. So guys, if you have liked this video, please leave a like, do leave your comment behind, that is really important, and do share this video among your friends and family. This is something really new, I think so. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell. Okay. So much of noise is coming from outside, and I have a habit of getting tongue twisted. Anyways, I hope you have liked this video, and until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, tata, God bless, bye bye.